This is the CAPA module in the QISS Quality Management Software System. The following video will introduce you to the features and benefits of the Corrective Action and Preventive Action module in QISS software. The CAPA module will allow the user to initiate and monitor internal, customer complaint, audit, or supplier corrective and preventative actions. The ability for the supplier and customer to log in and complete necessary actions is available. The user can initiate a corrective action from a nonconformance or without a nonconformance. Another benefit is the disciplined problem-solving 8D method enforced by underlying workflow of steps. Cradle-to-grave handling of individual CAPAs with flexible workflows is available. Another feature are the dashboards with advanced search, charting, and reporting, including exporting of all reports. This is the CAPA screen in QISS software. Please note the setup features contained on the left side of the screen. As with all the modules in QISS, it is permission-based. This allows you to assign specific permissions to people or groups of people who are responsible to undertake actions assigned to them within the particular module. Each of the modules in QISS has a module manager who does these assignments. During the setup in QISS, which will be assisted by members of QIA, the owner of QISS software, you will be able to load task priority times, how long a person has to complete a specific task. You can create a CAPA group of individuals from various departments to oversee or undertake CAPA actions. You can also load up CAPA options and input names herein. Field mapping is available that allows you to customize the pre-boxed field configurations received in QISS software. You can set up generic fields and various field values for those particular modules in QISS. In order to undertake an initial CAPA, you simply click the button of Initiate. This takes you to the initiation screen, where you have the program that oversees the particular corrective action. In this case, it would be the Quality Division. You would assign a title to it. You'll notice that QISS automatically keeps a record of the status and who initiated it. Simply choose the particular department that the corrective action will be overseen by. The type, is it a corrective action or a preventative action? The origin of the corrective action, did it originate from an internal action, a customer, or a supplier? And specifically, where did it originate? Was it internally from an audit report or outside of a customer complaint or issues involved that you would load herein? This shows an example of field mapping where additional information is available by an organization to create more data stream within the corrective action module. This is where all the nonconformance detail will be put in to the system for the corrective action to be undertaken. The reason for the action, any requirements, what input source, was it the result of a nonconformance? Please note you can load up to 5 individual files related to the nonconformance detail. These can be in the form of a video, PDF, Word document. They could be files. They could also be engineered drawings. A very good feature of QISS is the ability to add associated records. These are records that are kept in the QISS system that you can associate to the particular nonconformance in question to give more detail to undertake the corrective action. This is the assignment of responsibility, where you will select a responsible person to undertake the task of the corrective actions. Please note you can always choose yourself if you are the initiator of the corrective action, or you can send it to a group of people that are listed herein that you will load beforehand that will have specific permissions to undertake actions in QISS. If you were to choose yourself, it will break down exactly what you wanted to do. You can do finding your root cause, developing a solution, applying the solution, and verifying effectiveness, or you can send each one of these individual steps out to a specific employee that you want to assign to undertake the task. Once all those tasks have been completed, the corrective action will return to you as the module manager or initiator for final approval and closeout of the corrective action. Please note some of the features available here. You can reopen closed CAPAs. You can view CAPAs within the system. Please note that dashboards, module managers have access to all corrective actions that are within the system. However, if you are a designated responsible employee or person, the only dashboard information available to you are the specific corrective actions that you are assigned a task thereto. Edit capabilities in QISS are live. There is no need to start and stop over and create another action when you can merely add the action live within the system. A great benefit feature is the undo last action, that literally allows you to undo each last action in a given CAPA. If the last action was looking at root cause analysis, you could undo that and assign it to another individual or ask that particular individual to redo their work. You can edit roles for future actions. You can edit completed actions within QISS. Charts and reports are available. All charts and reports are exported via Excel. And QIA can work with the individual companies to create any types of charts and reports that they so need. Search capability is done through a CAPA search by CAPA number or a detailed search on specific information and data related to that corrective action. This has been a quick overview of the Corrective Action module in QISS. For further information or a live demonstration of this module or all our software modules in QISS, please contact us at www.qisssoftware.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.